G-force 8.21. 50%. 50%. Percent. 25%. 0. 0. Time remaining 5 minutes. 0. 25%. 50%. 50%. 25%. 0. 25%. 0. 0. 25%. 0. 0. 25%. 0. 50%. 50%.
Maybe Muddy's coming anyway. He's going to come over. Ah, get closer to those lights. Show it good.
50%.
This must be lights you added, right? Maybe that's not what it
Time
is.
remaining 6 minutes.
Anyway. Good roll rate.
50%. 50%.
It can do its own. It can hold its own. It's recommended with the 4000 battery, but it seems to fly a little more maneuverable with the 3200.
You know, I've been
0. 25%. 25%. 0. Gear up. 50%. Altitude 400. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. Altitude 406.9 feet. 50%. 411.9 feet.
We'll go from right to left.
Time remaining 2 minutes. G-force 4.54. G-force 4.04. Altitude 488.8 feet. G-force 4. Altitude 472.8 feet. G-force 8.66.
Wow.
50%. 50%. 25%. Gear up. 25%. 50%. 50%. 50%.
Yep, they're going to replace my battery under warranty.
G-force 8.21. 50%. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. Altitude 486.8 feet. Altitude 483.3 feet. Alt 0. 25%. 50%. 25%. 50%. G-force 5.50%. 0. 25%. 50%. Time remaining 1 minute. 50%. Brake, reverse forward. 0. Gear up.
Thank you.
25, 50%. 50%. 0.
I think the Boeing probably
25%. 50%.
I got a little risk in it, so getting it going now.
50%.
I guess they will retire.
50%.
Yeah, that's what I heard. I'm kind of surprised, but I guess they're quite old.
Yeah. Well, a lot of them planes are old, and some of them are.
Well, those 717s are pretty old. They talked about retiring.
Yeah.
They're newer than some of the DC-9s.
No.
50%.
What do you think? They'll be the ones that
Reverse fall.